Hello, today we will guide you through how to create product with different prices Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a digital product on Payhip and enable multiple prices using variations, so your customers can choose the option that suits them best. Open your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're signed in so you can access your store settings and products. From the dashboard, look toward the top navigation and click Products. This takes you to your product list and the place where new items are created. Next, select Add New Product. You'll see options for different product types. Choose Digital Product. This path is perfect if you're selling files such as ebooks, templates, music, or software. On the Digital Product Setup page, you'll notice the usual fields on screen, like title, description, and media. For this guide, we're focusing on how to offer different prices, so head straight to the bottom of the page. If you don't immediately see the settings you need, that's okay. Many of the pricing and configuration controls live in the Advanced section. Click Advanced Options to expand additional settings. Here's where you can enable variations. Turn on the setting that indicates this product has different variants. This tells Payhip you want to offer multiple choices for the same product, each with its own price. Variants are great for tiers like Basic and Pro, different usage licenses, or separate bundles. Now click Add Variations. A panel appears where you can define each option. Enter a clear variant name and set the price for it. Keep names short and descriptive so customers instantly understand the differences. Prices will use your store's currency, so stick to a clean number format. If you use charm pricing like 99, be consistent across all options. To create another choice, click Add New Variant again. Add a second variant name and price. Consider arranging your names to reflect progression, such as Standard and Premium, so shoppers can compare without confusion. You can continue repeating this step to build out as many variants as you need, but 2 is a great starting point for most offers. Before you move on, scan your list of variants to ensure there are no duplicates. Prices make sense for their value, and spelling is accurate. Clear labels and logical pricing dramatically improve conversion. With your variations added, your digital product can now present multiple price points on the same product page, letting customers select the version that fits their needs. That's it. You've set up a product with different prices on Payhip using variations.